Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be working on this Thrift find coffee table. I have picked it up for $35 and I love the details that it has around on the legs and around the table. I will be definitely giving it a new look. I will be using Rustoleum chalk paint for this project, giving it a try, really getting the feel for the paint and see if I like it as much as I like Annie Sloan. I will, however, be using Annie Sloan Waxes just because I have those already, so I didn't want to go out and buy all new waxes as well. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the table over and I'm going to paint the legs and the bottom trim, because the bottom trim and the legs are going to be the same color, I think. Might change my mind, but for now that's the plan I'm going with. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to just wipe the legs down, make sure that there's nothing on them. So I'm using Linen White by Rustoleum. So I have finished applying the first coat of white paint and I will be adding a second coat just to cover it up a little bit better. If you see, there's still quite a bit showing, so I'm going to do that now. After I finish applying the second coat, I flipped the table over, cleaned it just with some water and vinegar and a cloth just to get anything sticky off of it. There were nothing stuck to it, so I didn't have to give it a sanding or anything like that. And then once it was done, I used the Cocoa Bean by Rustoleum and I just gave it a generous one coat. I really like the way the cocoa bean looked once it dried, but for this project I was looking for a bit of a darker look, so I ended up using the charcoal from Rustoleum and dry brushing it on to the surface. The way I did that is I dipped the paintbrush into the paint and then I took off the excess paint off by rubbing it on a paper plate, and then just having a dry brush and brushing it on lightly. Once the paint had a chance to dry a bit, I took a sanding block and just antiqued or sanded certain parts just so the accents of the table come through a bit more. Sorry for sticking my head in the lens. I did this all around the table. When I was done sanding, I just dusted the paint dust off before I waxed the table. I used Annie Sloan's clear wax, and I used a brush to apply it, and then a lint-free rag to take the extra wax off and give it a little bit of a buff. I would usually wait 24 hours after this to give it another wipe down. I really love the way the top turned out. All the different paint really comes through, and the legs, accenting the legs by sanding them, I think it made them look beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you check out all of my other furniture videos that are out there. I will leave the playlist down below. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.